Select the Type tool. Pick a text color. And select No Color for the stroke. Type your text. Use the Selection tool to place the text on the bottom part of the canvas. Go to Type. Create outlines. Go to Edit. Copy. Go to Edit. Paste in front. Place this text above the other text. Select the bottom text and make it the same color as the background. Use the Selection tool to select both the texts. Go to Object. Blend. Blend options. Select Specified Steps. I use an amount of 5. Go to Object. Blend. Make. Double-click on the top text. Move the text down and move the bottom anchor point up. Double-click next to your artboard. You can now resize and move the text. Use the Blend tool if you want to adjust the blend options. And that's how you create this stacked text effect.